Team 365. India's leading textile consultants and technical advisors for your spinning mills projects. Quality first. Realization must. Our services. From concept to commercial production. Project consultancy and technical advisory. Architectural services. Continued support after production start. Highlights. Fastest returns. Payback, ROI. Futuristic mill with state-of-the-art technology. Flexi mill to run different products and range of counts and value-added products. Always spin profits upward trend or downward trend. Zero customer quality complaints in our recent projects. Zero trial production, no B-grade product. Best productivity GPS, UKG, IPI, CSP, realization, Classamate. Lower cost of production and premium on yarns. High performance yarns and repeated market demand. Few prestigious projects in the last decade, delighted customers. Cancel spinning mills. Anjani Spintex. Ram Spinning Mills. Fiatex. Oster Spintex. Sky Spintex. SV Pit Group. Super Spintex. Indo-Spun Yarns. Shredgy Yarns and many more. 25,000 to 1 lakh spindle projects by Team 365. Introducing Flexi Spin. WhatsApp or call 9425400272. Mail to gms@team365.in. Visit our website team365.in for more information.